Mushrooms. A delicious ingredient in pasta, pizza, and gourmet dishes. But have you ever wondered why almost nobody eats them raw? Many people assume that mushrooms are just like any other vegetable. You can chop them up and toss them in a salad. But here's the truth. Raw mushrooms may not be as safe as you think. Certain mushrooms, like white button, cremini, and portobello, contain a compound called agarotine. Studies suggest that agarotine could be carcinogenic in high doses. The good news? Cooking destroys most of it. Mushrooms have chitin, a tough compound also found in insect shells. Unlike plants, mushrooms don't have cellulose, making them harder to digest when raw. Cooking helps break down these cell walls, making nutrients like vitamin D, antioxidants, and protein more bioavailable. Let's be honest, raw mushrooms don't taste great. They have a spongy texture and a slightly metallic aftertaste. Cooking them brings out their umami-rich, earthy flavor. Not all mushrooms are bad raw. Varieties like shiitake, enoki, and oyster mushrooms are sometimes eaten raw in small amounts. But still, most chefs recommend at least light cooking for the best taste and safety. Next time you're tempted to eat raw mushrooms, think twice. Cooking not only improves flavor and nutrition, but also helps avoid potential health risks. Would you still eat raw mushrooms? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more surprising food facts. Thanks for watching.